How about hotel room channel surfing on the LG Plasma television from September 2006? Yes, you heard me right. Sharp. Wow. That speaker is kind of, someone messed it up. It's not good. That's too bad. The contrast is on point with the CRT. Obviously, everyone knows that, so might as well just not say it. But yeah, it looks good. Colors, yeah, good too. No copyright. Oh, they're using the Heartbeat logo again. That's cool.
Did you leave that room until the next morning? No, sir. Next morning, after his sales call, Jason testified,
Sharp.
he realized he'd left some eBay printouts sitting on the computer printer at home.
Maybe we should turn that light off. Doing it with my phone, so the audio is going to suck. This is standard def, so that's what standard def on HDTVs looks like. So I don't like it. But yeah, you get to use the full aspect ratio. I'd like to find a standard def plasma. Today's going by slow.
Look, sniping at each other.
Free FM. No signal. It's a bit of a buzzing noise. Sorry about the computer in the background. It's at the fans are at full blast for no reason, like all the time. It's plenty clean. That red is like wow. Let's adjust the camera. Let's just set it to automatic.
Won't replace the rescue inhaler for 7.
Glad my mother and brother aren't here yet. They're kind of loud. Yeah, it's got a good picture. If I said that enough already, it's kind of weird thing right there. Might have to switch hands if I get my hand too tired.
Offer, let's say, a LeBron James and then Anthony Davis. Well, LeBron, it's significant, and I think
On camera, the flesh tones are more orange than they are in person. It's fine in person. It looks great.
Green's next contract comes.
Today is the 29th of June. This video won't be released today. Nice. Yeah, the colors aren't accurate on camera. Just fine. Oh, that's not good. This actually looks good on camera. I mean, better than it does in person. Huh.
Their bougie programs. USC and Texas.
A buscar el centro de Luis Enrique, se queda esperando, falla el defensor.
The Golden Spikes Award in 2000.
Balls win championships.
Huh. It's kind of weird.
Fun, putting all the pressure right back.
And also, you have the nickname of.
You got that 20%
SD.
Let's go ahead and
So it doesn't look so great. Doesn't matter. It's not like this is a movie or anything. Just home shopping network or low cost, whatever. Ion, that's in 720, I think. At least at home it is over the air DTV converter box. MeTV, which I can't get anymore, which is on KAZD, which is 55. What is DT? Oh, KZD DT is what this is, because this is digital. I mean, it's not using an over-the-air converter box. No, nothing but the best.
Way too many prices on way too many sites.
Here's the thing. It turns out Tim Cook has been lobbying Washington, D.C. for a couple of weeks now to allow Apple to use chips from China, specifically CXMT. This is a really hot Chinese company, just went public IPO. They've been around for a long time. Now, here's the thing. Sadly, a few years ago, Micron begged Tim Cook. They said, please pay a little bit more for our chips. You know, we could take that money and invest it in the capacity. Tim Cook told them to pound sand.
Fuck you,
After
Tim.
all, he needed the money. He's got to buy back $6.5 billion of his own stock.
Go with
every
Micron.
quarter. So now Cook is going
Got
to
Micron for my computer. Maxed it out to 32 gigs.
Even in the tough races, or races that would, I guess, otherwise.
That audio only thing, that's kind of BS, if you ask me.
Record up 0.7 of 1%. The Dow.
HBO HD. Really looking forward to breakfast. Whoops. Oh yeah. Let's not get in trouble for that. Oh, well, there's your answer. It's Spectrum. Could have guessed. Be more here. Press menu. World of Hyatt.
£30 a week, is it? That's it. Collect on Fridays, I suppose.
I paid
Relatively easy question.
For just a moment, let's but I had
Need to crank up the ISO a little bit. Surprised my hand's not more tired than it is. Disc Junior. Huh. Don't know why it's not working.
And because it cleans so well,
That speaker's rough. Too bad someone blew it or messed it up somehow.
due to cell service or whatever. And when it finally started to...
Did Jesse ever tell you, June, about his experience at Roswell?
Yes,
He did.
he did. I think probably 70.
you for free. So you were addicted to any of these social media platforms, and as a result suffered from depression, anxiety, eating disorders such as
For
anorexia
real?
or bulimia.
She talks about the two of them going to the Seychelles where they...
So once again, sorry the audio sucks. It's a Motorola XT something, the phone I'm using.
I do have other matters to consider.
That's just 63.
Ugh. Can't pay me to watch that.
100%.
Life is audio only. TV Land, classic.
Here's a ball fragment.
Order coming in. It's in the kitchen, so give it a couple minutes. Have you served your drinks yet?
Hopefully we'll go to Bronco Sports Bar for dinner.
This is so awesome.
Place is awesome. Be full after dinner for once. Actually, I shouldn't say that. I'm full after dinner a lot. You're not full when you eat a bunch of snacks during the day.
to agree.
Your life insurance when you need it with Abacus.
The system is plus powerful ingredients that shower my skin with luminosity after just one use. And lock in that
HDTV. Never heard of it. Actually, the black levels aren't that great. Look at these black levels aren't good. I thought they'd be better than that. Weird. Next channel.
Brazil's new triple care formula.
Yeah, kind of disappointed about the black levels. Wish my grandmother wanted to get a plasma TV. The Samsung LCD TV she had, it was on 24/7. Lasted for 16 years and 4 months. The thing was, you see the red power light stand by. Ooh, yeah, burn it. Yeah, you can see the like a ghostly image of that. That speaker's rough.
Who knows that
So yeah, we have burn it.
housing of this temple
Ooh, NHK network.
116 years was made.
You won't be the same old person. I can't change
This on a CRT looks good. A 19-inch set. This looks fantastic. I don't watch stuff like this, but I'm just saying, you know, it's era appropriate to see on a CRT if you wanted to watch it on there.
I mean, totally.
I love my wife. I didn't hurt her.
Detective Raven.
Taiwan Plus.
曾经在这个高美馆做了一个小
Art
表演，
Echo.
因为那个开头那个很简单的旋律，就有点像在看。
And there we are. So this is over.